I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to effectively reduce underarm fat. It's important to understand that you cannot spot reduce fat from just one area of your body. Underarm fat is typically a reflection of your overall body fat percentage. Therefore, the most effective approach involves a holistic strategy combining consistent exercise, smart dietary choices, and healthy lifestyle habits. We'll explore how to achieve a more toned and sculpted upper body together. To sculpt your upper body and reduce underarm fat, focus on exercises that build muscle in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Aim for at least 2 strength training sessions per week, including moves like push-ups, triceps extensions, and chest presses with dumbbells. These exercises strengthen the surrounding muscles, creating a more toned appearance. Additionally, incorporate at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity cardiovascular exercise weekly, such as brisk walking or cycling, to promote overall fat burning. Diet plays a critical role in reducing underarm fat by contributing to overall fat loss. The key is to create a calorie deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than your body expends. Focus on a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, such as chicken or fish, and abundant vegetables, which are low in calories and high in nutrients. Opt for whole grains over refined carbohydrates, and significantly limit processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats to support your fat loss goals. Beyond exercise and diet, certain lifestyle habits are crucial for sustainable fat reduction. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, as poor sleep can negatively affect hormones related to appetite and fat storage. Effectively managing stress is also important, as high stress levels can contribute to weight gain. Remember, consistency is key. Sticking to your exercise routine and healthy eating habits over time will yield the best and most lasting results for reducing underarm fat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.